السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Today, inshallah, we are going to update our skills for the IG students, okay, those in year 6. Today we are gonna have a small revision about what we have taken in year 5. First of all, me, it's Mrs. Wale. I'm an engineer, okay. I'm gonna make some videos for you to help you to understand math a little bit, okay. Now, first of all, of course, math talking about numbers. These numbers consist of some digits. These digits, we have whole numbers, okay, have place value and a value. Okay, what is the difference between the place value and the value? We are gonna know now. First of all, we have some periods. We have the ones period, then the hundreds, the thousands periods, okay, then the million period. These three periods, each of these has three place values. Okay, each of these has three values as ones, then tens, then hundreds. Okay, the thousands period also had three digits as ones, tens, and hundreds. The million period the same, ones, tens, and hundreds. The value of each digit in a number depends on its place in the number. It means which place of these digits and which period. Each place is 10 times the value of the next place to its right. It means the tens is 10 times the ones, the hundreds 10 times the tens, okay. And as we said, each period contains three digits. Now, if I have the number 842 million, come on, 974,158. If I have this number, okay, now the digit, okay, the 4 here in 74 in the ones place, okay, the value is what? The value is thousands. Here the value is what? Is 4,000, and the place value for it is thousands, okay. Then the 4 here, the value of it, it's 40 million, and the value of it, this is the value, the place value for it is 10 million. The place value is 10 million, okay. So now, how can I put the value? This 4 has three digits to the right side. I will delete them and put instead of each of them a 0. Same as here, I will put each of these digits replace it with 0. It gives me the value. And I have to know which place value it is. Okay? Then I know the value, I know the place value. How can I compare and order whole numbers? To compare and order whole numbers, okay, I have first to align these numbers, okay, their digits by place value. How? Now I have some numbers, okay, 39,630, 19,578, 130,434, okay, 36,450. Now the required here is to order these numbers. So first of all, I have to compare them, make a comparison between them to order them. How can I compare? First, I have to align its digits, okay, their digits by place value. So I will come here and write it like this: 39630, then 19578, then 130,434, then 36,450. This is the units, tens and hundreds, okay, in the ones period. Then this is the thousands periods. I have ones, tens and hundreds. Now I have to compare between them, which is greater, which is smaller. First of all, I have only this number having a digit in the which period? In the 100,000, in the thousand period, in the 100,000 place value. All of them only tens, and as we said before, that the hundreds place is 10 times the tens. Okay, so 130,434 is the largest or the greatest number. Okay, if I want to make ascending order, then the ascending order. Now in the ascending order, I have to write it at last. This is the largest, the greatest, 134. Okay, then excluded, I have to look at the other three numbers. I have here 3, 1 and 3. Of course, 1 is smaller than the other, so the 1 in the 10,000 place, it's the smallest. So this is the one at the beginning, 19,578. This is the smaller. Okay, now I have two numbers with the same number in the same digit or the same place value. This is 30, this is 30,000. Okay, so I will have a look at the digit to the right side. I have here 9 and have here 6. So 6 is smaller than 9, so it will be a arranged line. This 19,000 first, then 36,415, then 39,630. It will be arranged like this. If we have descending order, so I will make a reverse ordering. Comes first 130,434, then 39,630, then 36,415, then the smallest one 19,578. Okay, now I will have some examples to make it better for you to understand. The first example or the first question: name the period, okay, of the underlined digits. So here he wants to know the period. 943,862, and the underlined is these. So I have from the right side, this is ones, tens, hundreds in the ones period, then this is ones, tens, hundreds in the thousands period. So the period is what is thousands period. Okay, then I have 802,400,253, and the underlined is 802 million. So units, tens, hundreds, units, tens, hundreds, units, tens, hundreds. This is ones, this is thousands, this is million. So this is the million period. Okay. The other example, it's to write the place, right? The place of the underlined digit. Then write its value. Okay, this is it means I have to write the place value and then write the value of it. First 73, and the underlined is 3. This is the ones, the place value is ones, and equal what? Equal 3 only. Then I have 36,250, and the underlined digit is 6. So what shall I do? What shall I do? I have to put the 6, then put zeros by the number of digits to the right side. I have 1, 2, 3 digits, so I have to put 1, 2, 3 zeros. It means 6,000. This is ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, ones and tens. This is the thousands. What the value is 1,000. The place is what is only thousands. Okay, so the place value is thousands, and the value is 6,000. Another example we have: write in order from greatest to least. 32,423, then 38,972, then 36,401, then 31,276. As we said before, first to order we have to compare, and to compare an order we have to align these numbers by digit. Okay, align the digit by the place value. So I have to write it vertically. 32,423, 38,972, 36,401, 31,276. Okay, this is ones, tens, hundreds, ones and tens. This is the thousands. This is the ones period. Okay, so I have to look at the left side. All numbers The maximum digit is out, the maximum or the maximum place is the 10,000th place. Okay, so we have to look at them. 3 3 3 3 all same, so I have to look at the right side of this digit. It's the thousandths, ones, thousandths only. It 2, 8, 6 and 1. Here I have to order it from the greatest to least, so I have to compare between these numbers from greatest to what to least. The greatest is 8, this is the first, then the 6, second, then 2, this is the third, then 1, this is the fourth. Okay, so the ordering will be first 38,972, then 36,401, then the third one 32,423, then the fourth one is 31,276. Okay, this is the ordering from greatest to what to least. Okay, now we will have a look at how to round whole numbers. Okay, if I have a number 83,000, okay, 524, I want to round this number to the nearest round, to the nearest 10. Okay, so I have this ones, tens, hundred, this is the ones place. I have this is the ones, tens in the thousands place. Okay, now I have to round it to the nearest tens. Where's the tens? It means this digit 2. Okay, I will have a look at the digit to the right side, which is 4. Make a circle on it. Okay, this 4, if it's less than 5, so this is a poor number. It will make this digit, the 10th digit, with which I want to round it to it, round this number to it, will make it the same. It will remain the same number, and we will replace this 4 by 0. So I have to type it 8, 3, 5, 2 will remain the same, and the 4 will be 0 because it's a poor number. What means poor number? Because 4 is less than what? Less than 5. Okay, then I want to round it the same number, 83,524, round to the nearest hundreds. Okay, to the nearest hundred. This is ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens in the thousands place. Okay, where is the 100 digit here, or 100 place here? This is the 5. I will have a look to the number on the right side, make a circle on it. 2 is less than 5, so 2 is a poor number. Okay, so the 5 will remain the same, and we will replace these 2 and 4 with two zeros. So the round will be 83,500. Okay, now if I want to round the same number, 83,524, round to the nearest thousand. Now make the digits, the place of digits, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens in the what? In in the thousands. Where's the place value of thousands? This is the digit 3. Okay, I have to look at the number to the right side, which is 5. Now 5, if it's greater or equal to 5, okay, greater or equal to 5, it will be rich number. So the number 3 will be increased by 1. The number 3 will be increased by 1. So the number that I'm looking to it, to the right side of the digit, I want to round this number to it. If it's 5 or more, so this digit, this number will be increased by 1 or by 10. Okay, because this digit is 10 times of this digit. So this round will be 8, 4, because we increased the number by 1, 4, and all these numbers to the right side will be zeros. So the number will be rounded to 84 thousandths. Okay. Now, if I have the number 11,987, rounded to the nearest tens, 10 first, nearest, first 10. Where's the 10 digit? It's the 8. Okay, it's what? It's the 8. I have to look at 7. 7 is more than 5. So this one will be increased by 1. This digit will be increased by 1. So it will be approximated or rounded to 11,990. Then I wanted to nearest 100. 11,987. The 100 digit is the 9. Okay, I will have a look at the right side number. It's 8. So this is more than 5, a rich number. So this one will be increased by 1. 9 will be increased to be 10. 10, it means that I have to increase the digit to the left by 1. Okay, because 10 times the hundreds, it will be thousands. 10 times 100, it will be thousands. So if the number reached to 10, so the next or the following digit to the left side will be increased by 1 too. So I have to make it what? 12,000. 12 what? 12,000. Okay, nearest 1,000. Okay, to the nearest 1,000, 11,987. Okay, the 1,000 digit, this is the 1. I have to look at the right, make a circle. So this one will be increased by 1. It will be the same 12,000. Okay, because this is 9, this is a rich number, so this one will be increased by 1, and all these digits will be what? Will be zeros. But here, this 9 will be 10, so the 0 will remain here, and the digit of thousands will increase by what? By 1. If you want to talk about numbers, so we have to talk about factors, multiples, and divisibility. The factors are numbers that are multiplied to find the product. Okay, what does it mean? It means that if I have 8 times 3 equal a product, the product is what? Equal 24. This is the product. So this is what? 2 factors. Okay, and this factor can be analyzed to be 2 times 4, so 2 times 4 times 3 equal 24. So also these numbers are factors of what? Are factors of the number 24. To find all the factors of a number, we have to use a multiplication sentences. To find all the factors of what? All the factors of 20. It means what? First of all, for the factor of 20, I have what? I have 1 times 20. What are the numbers that can be multiplied by itself to have a product 20? 1 times 20, 2 times 10, okay? 4 times 5. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Factors of what? Factors of 20. Okay? This is the factors, the meaning of factors. What is the meaning of multiples? The multiples of a number are the products of that number and any whole number. So the multiple is the product of a number, okay, and any whole numbers. It means what? Multiples of 2. Multiples of 2, it's 0, 2. It means 2 times 0, 2 times 1 equal 2, 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 3, it's the table of 2, 2 times 3 equal 6, 2 times 4 equal 8, etc. The multiple of 8, 0, 8 times 2, 16 times 3, 24 times 4, 32, etc. These are the multiples of what? Of these numbers. So we knew the factors, the multiples. Now, what is the divisibility? Meaning, a number is divisible by another number when you divide and the remainder is 0. It means the result of the division operation is a whole number without any remainder. So how can I know that this number is divisible by 2? If the digit, so divisibility by 2, if the digit of if one's digit is what? Is divisible by 2. Or it's an even what? An even number. Divisibility by 5, that the one's digit is 0 or 5. Divisibility by 10, it means that the number, the one's digit is 0. Divisibility by 3, so by 5, if the one's digit equals 0 or 5. Divisibility by 10, if the one's digit equal 0. Divisibility by 3, if sum of its digits divisible by 3. What does it mean? It means like 12. 12 is 12 divisible by 3, so I have to look. I have 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 equal 3. 3 is already divisible by 3. Sorry. 3 is divisible by 3, so 12 divisible by what? Divisible by 3. How can I know if it's divisible by 4? Okay, if the number, okay, on tens and ones digits divisible by 4. What does it mean? Like 124, it's divisible by 4. Why? Because the number here and for the ones and tens, 24 is divisible. 24 is divisible by 4. So 124 is divisible by 4. Okay. Now, we knew what is the factors and what are the factors of a number, what are the multiplier of a number, okay? So now how to bring or to calculate or to evaluate the highest common factor and the lowest common multiplier, okay? Now, if I have the two numbers 9 and 12, I want to bring for them the highest common factor or the HCF and the LCM, which is the lowest common multiplier. I have to analyze them by their prime factors. How to analyze them? I will come here. 9 divided by, it's not divisible by 2, it's divisible by 3. And prime numbers, it means the set of numbers that can be only. Okay, we'll have a look again. 9 is not divisible by 2, but it's divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. 3 divided by 3, it's a prime number, can be divided only by 1 and itself. 3 divided by 3 equal 1, till we have 1. Okay, then 12, it's divisible by 2 because the ones digit is an even number, or it's a number that divisible by 2. 2 by 2 equal 1. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 6 is divisible by 2, divided by 2 equal 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1 till we have the 1. So 9 equal 3 times 3, and 12 equal 3 times 2 times 2. The common here is 3. The repeated number in the or the repeated factor for these two numbers is the 3. We will have it only one time. The repeated number will have it only one time. So the highest common factor, it's 3. Only the common numbers times itself, but we have only one number, so it will be the 3. And then the lowest common multiplier, it's 3 times the number 3 that it's repeated only one time. 3 times 2 times 2, okay, it means equal 3 times 3 equal 9, times 2 times 4, 2 times 2 equal 4. It means 9 times 4 equal 36. So the lowest common multiplier for these two numbers together is 36, and the highest common factor for these equal 3. Okay, this is how to bring the highest common factor and the lowest common multiplier. The whole numbers. After this we have fractions or decimals. The decimals, 200th, we have here the periods. Okay, we have the ones period, and we have the digits, ones, tens, and hundreds. If it's not a whole number, we will have here tenth with th, hundredth also with th. Then after this we will take the thousandth till 3 decimal places, but now we are not going to talk about it. These two digits, it means tenths and hundredths, it means 1 over 10 and 1 over 100. Okay, 1 over 10 and the hundredth, it means or equal 1 over 100. The place value is tenth. The place value for this is hundredth. Okay, and if we have 4 here and 9 here, it means 4 over 10 and 9 over 100. Okay, the value here is 0.4 and the value for this is 0.09 in the 100th place. Okay, so if I have the number 37.19, this part is the whole number. The part to the left side of the decimal point, okay, this is the whole number part, and this part is the decimal part. Okay, it will be read as 37 and 1900th, because we have here, this is the 10th, this is the 100th. So it's can be read as 37 and 1900th. The digit 3 in the 10th place, and the value of it is 30. The 7 in the ones place, the value of it is 7. The 1 here in the 10th place, the value of it is 0.1. Okay, the 9 here in the 100th place, and the value of it is 0.09. This is how we have the place value and the value of the decimals or the whole numbers. Okay, till this we have finished the numeration part that we have taken already in year 5 or 4. This is the first video, inshallah. The second video will complete the skills update or the skills revision for what we have taken before. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you understand the concepts we have discussed here, and see you later, inshallah, in another video, in a new video. Wish you all the luck. Pray for me in your prayers. Thank you and bye.